Together with the fast-growing economy of Vietnam, the seaport operations and logistics sectors have made substantial moves. Saigon Newport Corporation, SMP, is one vivid example of such development. Saigon Newport Corporation, with nearly 40 subsidiary companies and 5,000 workers, has been making tremendous progress based on port operation, logistics services and domestic shipping. Originally a small premise, SMP is now operating a complete port and logistics network in key economic areas in Vietnam, including Ho Chi Minh City, Binh Nhung Province, Tay Ninh Province, Dong Nai Province, Bà Rịa Vũng Tàu Province, Tin Giang Province, An Giang Province, Dong Thap Province, Can Thơ City, Bến Tre Province, Can Hoa Province, Quy Nhung City, Da Nang City, and Hai Phong City. For the past many years, Saigon Newport has been the leading terminal developer and operator in Vietnam and currently accounts for more than 80% of southern container import-export volume and more than 50% nationwide. Our headquarters, Tan Cang Terminal, the first terminal premise in Ho Chi Minh City, will become an expansive commercial, tourism and entertainment centre in coming years. Tan Cang Cat Lai Terminal in District 2, Ho Chi Minh City, began operations in 1997. This container terminal is now the busiest, biggest and most modern container terminal in Vietnam, ranked among the top 24 terminals in the world. To meet development demands of the economic and import-export activities, Saigon Newport has developed a new terminal at upstream Cat Lai Terminal, which is Tan Cang Phu Hu Terminal in District 9. This new terminal is an extension of Tan Cang Cat Lai Terminal to ensure smooth operation in the future. Tan Cang Hiep Phuc in southern Ho Chi Minh City is a new SMP premise. This facility handles both containers and bulk cargoes, connecting with Tan Cang Cat Lai Terminal and Tan Cang Kai Mep terminals to offer new choices for customers in Hiep Phuc Industrial Park, Long Ho Industrial Park and neighbouring areas, including Mekong Delta. Tan Cang Kai Mep terminals in Bà Rịa Vũng Tàu Province have been operational since early June 2009, and Tan Cang Kai Mep Tai Vai Terminal has been put into operation since early 2014. These terminals can receive vessels with capacity of up to 14,000 TEU or 160,000 DWT, being the first deep-water terminals in the country. Tan Cang Kai Mep terminals, TCIT, TCCT, and Tan Cang Kai Mep Tai Vai Terminal, TCTT, are deemed transshipment ports in Vietnam and the entire region, and currently receive 15 ship calls per week, with direct services to America, Europe and Asia. Tan Cang Song Tang ICD is located in the centre of more than 30 industrial parks and export processing zones in Binh Nhung Province. The ICD is an inland clearance point and effectively supports Tan Cang Cat Lai terminals and Tan Cang Kai Mep terminals and Tan Cang Kai Mep Tai Vai terminal. With a total area of 300 hectares, Tan Cang Long Binh ICD, which began operation in August 2009, is the biggest logistics centre and inland clearance point in Vietnam. This ICD is 30 kilometres from Tan Cang Cat Lai Terminal and 40 kilometres from Tan Cang Kai Mep terminals. It is located among more than 10 industrial parks in Binh Hoa City and Dong Nai Province, at the intersection of the north-south highway access and key national roads and railways. Tan Cang Nyon Track ICD in Dong Nai Province serves as the most direct connection between Tan Cang Cat Lai Terminal and Nhon Track Industrial Park, one of the biggest industrial parks in Vietnam. The ICD currently provides stuffing, unstuffing, packaging, unpackaging services for bulk cargoes, bag cargoes and depot services. Cam Ranh International Port receives and supplies military ships, cruise ships, provides tourist services for crews. Cam Ranh International Port will be the best logistics service centre in the region and in the world, able to receive 40 ships at the same time. Maximum capacity of vessels to port up to 110,000 DWT. Tan Kang Mi Chung Terminal began operation in February 2011 and can receive vessels with loading capacity of up to 1,500 TEU. Favourably located near Din Vu Industrial Park with convenient traffic connections, SMP's existing Terminal 128 and 189 with 10 calls per week. Tan Kang 128 Terminal and Tan Kang 189 Terminal crucially attract cargoes from northern Vietnam as well as some Chinese neighbouring provinces and are closely linked with other SMP facilities. In order to meet increased trade demands in the Northern Focal Economic Area, SMP has developed the first deep water terminals in this area, namely Haiphong International Containment Terminal, HICT. In the Mekong Delta, SMP has just put into operation Tan Kang Sa Dec Terminal and Tan Kang Khao Lang Terminal in Dong Tat Province. Tan Kang Nha Long in Ben Tre Province and Tan Kang Mi Toi Terminal in An Giang Province. Tan Kang Tra Nok, Tan Kang Kai Kui and Tan Kang To Not in Canter City, and rendered barging services to connect these terminals with Tan Kang Cat Lai Terminal and Tan Kang Hip Phuc Terminals in Ho Chi Minh City and Tan Kang Kai Mep Terminals in Ba Ria Vung Tau Province into a complete logistics network, providing door-to-door services for exporters of seafood and farm produce at minimum transportation time and logistic costs. In the context of booming trade and increased economic cooperation between Vietnam and Cambodia, especially with the large volume of cargoes from Cambodia transited at deep-water ports in Vietnam, SMP has provided waterway transportation service between the two countries and made its first landing abroad through a port development plan in Cambodia. SMP has diversified high value-added services such as inland haulage, waterway transportation and domestic shipping, mechanical services, training and providing human resources for logistic and terminal management and information technology, customs broker, pilot, towage and maritime services. Thanks to the well-connected facility network throughout the country, Saigon Newport with SMP Logistics, ranking one of the top 20 logistic companies in Vietnam, now provides high-quality door-to-door logistics and terminal services at the most competitive prices to a large number of shippers, forwarders and more than 100 global shipping lines. SMP has also cooperated with major partners to establish joint venture companies operating effectively in many business sectors such as terminal operations, barging services, towage services, training and human resource development. Successful application of a state-of-the-art real-time terminal management system from RBS Australia has essentially improved container handling productivity and truck turnaround time at all premises. Cargo inspection is now performed by modern X-ray container scanning technology with strong support by online payment and electronic customs declaration. Our slogan is, "Come to Saigon Newport, come to the best quality services." We always listen to and accommodate our valued customers 24/7 by means of hotlines at all locations and updated information in our company website and e-newsletter. Saigon Newport has constantly received strong support from the Party Committee, state leaders, local authorities, customers and partners, which crucially enables our rapid and substantial development, striving for non-stop development to maintain our leading position and brand name. S&P aims at becoming a strong national maritime business group and desires to contribute to the entire success of the National Maritime Economy Development Strategies through 2020. We warmly welcome all investors, shipping lines, importers and exporters.